Hi, Year 5. Your UOI tasks for this week are allowing you the opportunity to plan out what your multimodal text will look like before you start creating it using different types of media. So understanding that the planning process is really, really important. Miss Crosby will share this link with you, and in that she'll explain the task of planning out your purpose, thinking about your audience and what message you want to communicate. The planning sheet will be shared with you via Hapara and shared into your Google folders, your How We Express Ourselves Google folders, so that you can access your work there. Otherwise, you can go onto the distance learning drive if you're not using a computer to get the printed out version. Powtoon has also been created for you to help with understanding what the MISO model is all about, or revisiting and looking at and reminding how to use that as a researcher. The purpose of this is just to collect and think about what evidence you can find that might work for your planning of this multimodal text. Okay, you don't need to start researching yet, you're just collecting resources. As you do that, you may like to start recording some of the links for creating a bibliography using Slasher, just so that you have it for if you use that particular type of resource as a researcher. The final step is to upload this onto your Google Doc. Don't forget to share the link with your teacher and class, or have it in a shareable mode as a shareable link so that others can give you feedback. If you've completed this task well, you will see here the success criteria, and the success criteria is asking and getting you to think about, do you have a clear purpose? Do you know who your intended audience is? And are you able to locate different resources? Okay, the semiotic code one we'll look at next week.